Episode 56 YU October 9, 2024. California Heat Pump Rebates Announced amid Wildfires. In Episode 56 YU 1 United States 2 Washington, D.C. 3A California Heat Pump Rebates Announced. 3B California Wildfires. 4 Illinois 5 Michigan 6 Minnesota 7 Utah 8 Wisconsin 9 Canada 10 New Zealand 11 Ireland 12 United Kingdom 13 Europe 14 France 15 Russia 16 Uzbekistan 17 India 18 Thailand 19 PM 2.5 and Human Health. Main content. 1 United States. AOO Smith introduces signature series Smart Heat Pump Water Heater at Lowe's with Hot. PR Web. Heat pump technology continues to play an increasingly important role in decarbonization and efficiency efforts across the country, said Francois. United States. The government wants to pay you $2,500 to upgrade your home wiring. Yahoo. Electrifying your home, vehicle, and appliances is one of the best ways to lower your carbon footprint and decrease your monthly bills. United States. Building for efficiency decarbonization doesn't have to break the bank. American Gas Association. There are numerous ways natural gas home heating can be a winner on emissions reductions. Some of those ways actually involve electric heat pumps. 2 Washington, D.C. Groundbreaking report reveals harmful impacts of biomass with pellet plants. Southern Environmental Law Center. While biomass energy companies claim this produces clean energy, in reality it releases more climate-warming carbon at the smokestack than burning. Washington, D.C. Plants saddle Southerners with nonstop noise, pollution. Southern Environmental Law Center. Burned for power. Cornell Watson. A new, first-of-its-kind study surveyed families living near biomass wood pellet plants in the South, shining a 3A1 California Heat Pump Rebates Announced. Biden-Harris administration announces California's launch of first phase of federal home. Department of Energy. Heat pumps for space heating and cooling i.e., heat pump HVACs, heat pump water heaters, and more. The federal rebates will expand state. Eligible California homeowners and multifamily building owners can use the federal Home Energy Rebate programs to save energy, save money on. California launches Energy Efficiency Savings Program. Spidell. California is launching the Home Electrification and Appliance Rebates here portion of the federal Home Energy Rebates program, which provides. California launches $80 million Electrification Rebate Program October Energy News Network. Rebates for heat pumps, appliances, and efficiency upgrades. Sacramento Bee. Climate and National Green Bank awards an Alaska Native economic. New federally funded residential energy rebate programs launching in California. California Energy Commission CA.gov Sacramento. The California Energy Commission CEC today joined with the U.S. Department of Energy DOE to announce California is launching the. Amid skyrocketing utility bills, Harder announces relief for families with new home. Josh Harder House.gov PG&E just raised rates for the 4th time this year. Bills have more than doubled since 2014. New rebate program will save San Joaquin County. California Los Angeles. New federal rebates. LAist. Top line, what do the rebates cover? The rebates offer between $700 to $8,000 back for energy-saving appliances such as heat pump water heaters and California Los Angeles. Get ready to save money. What you should know: federal rebates for home energy upgrades. LAist. Heat pumps can work for both heating and cooling. You can think of a heat pump as an air conditioner that can also work backward. California 10th Congressional District. Amid skyrocketing utility bills, Harder announces relief for families with new home. Representative Josh Harder House.gov heat pump units that improve energy efficiency. Heat pumps can replace water heaters and HVAC systems for heating and cooling. PG&E bills are out. California 24th Congressional District. Representative Carbajal celebrates launch of federal Home Energy Rebate Program. Encourages. Salud Carbajal. That's why I worked in 2022 to pass a landmark cost savings law, the Inflation Reduction Act, to provide both tax incentives and direct rebates for. 3A2 Biden-Harris administration announces California's launch of first phase of federal Home Energy Rebate programs to help lower families' utility bills. October 8, 2024. Energy.gov Biden-Harris administration announces California's launch of first phase of federal Home Energy Rebate programs to help lower families' utility bills. Eligible California homeowners and multifamily building owners can use the federal Home Energy Rebate programs to save energy, save money on energy-efficient upgrades, and lower housing costs. Excerpts edited by Rozep for brevity and clarity in relationship to Residents Against Wood Smoke Emission Particulates, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. Washington, D.C. October 8, 2024. As part of President Biden's Investing in America agenda, the U.S. Department of Energy DOE announced today that California is launching its first federal Home Energy Rebates program, supported by the Inflation Reduction Act. California is launching the Home Electrification and Appliance Rebates here portion of the rebate program, enabling savings on energy efficiency improvements. California's launch is part of the Biden-Harris administration's nationwide initiative to provide $8.8 billion in federal funding for states, territories, and tribes to lower energy costs and increase efficiency in American homes by making it cheaper to install cost-saving measures such as heat pumps, electrical panels, and insulation. These energy-saving measures will save American households up to $1 billion annually in energy costs and support an estimated 50,000 U.S. jobs in residential construction, manufacturing, and other sectors. DOE is thrilled to provide nearly $300 million to California through the HERE program. Home energy rebates for clean and energy-efficient appliances and upgrades help cut pollution, and they will save money by lowering energy bills. California has led the way on saving people money while taking climate action, said California Governor Gavin Newsom. Saving money and fighting the climate crisis has never been easier. The Home Electrification and Appliance Rebates (HEA) program will help working families switch to sustainable, energy-efficient appliances from home HVAC systems to water heaters, lowering their electric costs, improving indoor air quality, and reducing harmful emissions. Existing buildings is one of the toughest segments of the housing market to decarbonize, to reduce the impacts of climate change, said the lead for energy efficiency at the California Energy Commission. Starting this week, California is opening up applications for federally funded rebates, thanks to a close partnership with the DOE to make low-carbon technologies like heat pumps accessible to more Americans. Many Americans spend a large portion of their monthly income to heat, cool, and power their homes. To advance the objectives of the rebate programs, DOE is requiring states and territories to allocate at least half of the rebates to low-income households, defined as those earning 80% or less of their area median income, which is expected to benefit many households in disadvantaged communities. California's Home Energy Rebate Programs. California's HERE program, one of two federal home energy rebate programs which will be overseen by the California Energy Commission, and the first phase will be implemented by TechClean California. TechClean California is an existing state program that offers single-family and multifamily rebates on heat pumps for space heating and cooling, for example heat pump HVACs, heat pump water heaters, and more. The federal rebates will expand state programs to provide additional support to low and moderate-income households. TechClean California is launching its HERE program in phases, with the Affordable Multifamily program launching first. Available now, eligible owners of multifamily buildings can save up to $14,000 per dwelling unit, including up to $8,000 for an Energy Star certified heat pump HVAC, $4,000 for an electrical panel, $2,500 for electrical wiring, $1,750 for an Energy Star certified heat pump water heater, $840 for an Energy Star certified electric stove, cooktop, range, or oven, $840 for an Energy Star certified electric heat pump clothes dryer. To apply for the HERE multifamily program, Californian building owners should visit https://texialienca.com/HERE-rebate/. Available soon. Eligible owners of single-family homes will be able to save up to the following amounts on Energy Star certified heat pump HVAC units. $8,000 for low-income households, for example those earning less than 80% of their area's median income. $4,000 for middle-income households, for example those earning between 80 to 150% of their area's median income. California is continuing to evaluate the most effective approach to expand the HERE program in the near future. There also is a second Home Energy Rebates program that California will launch in 2025. Under the Home Efficiency Rebates program, eligible Californians can save money on retrofits that reduce whole home energy consumption. For more information on California's first phase of the HERE program, visit the TechClean California website. More states get ready for rebate launch. Home energy rebates are coming online in more states to help American families save energy and save money with energy-efficient home upgrades. You can check the status of your state's program at energy.gov/save/rebates. For more information on what you can do to save energy and save money, visit www.energy.gov/save. 3B California Wildfires. California Humboldt County. Update Big Hill Fire in Humboldt County October 9th status. Fresno Bee. It has been burning on federal land managed by the Bureau of Update Wood Fire in Humboldt County, still at 80% containment by Tuesday evening. California Riverside County. Breaking Lake Fire reported in Riverside County on October 8th. Fresno Bee. Lake Fire has been burning on private land. At this time, the update 80% containment reached for wood fire in Humboldt County. California San Luis Obispo. Breaking Fair Fire reported in El Dorado County on October 9th. San Luis Obispo Tribune. Fair Fire has been burning on private land. At this time update wood fire in Humboldt County, still at 80% containment by Tuesday evening. California Siskiyou County. Breaking Mussolini Fire reported in Siskiyou County on October 8th. Merced Sunstar. Mussolini Fire has been burning on private land. Currently, their update 80% containment reached for wood fire in Humboldt County. 4 Illinois Chicago. Com Edison launches new resource to help customers interested in adding heat pump. Yahoo Finance. All new Go Electric website empowers customers with information on how heat pumps work, lower energy bills, and reduce energy consumption year. 5 Michigan Benzie County. Health Department cautions residents about air quality after wildfire. Benzie County Record Patriot. Avoid activities that create more fine particles indoors, including smoking cigarettes using gas, propane, or wood-burning stoves and furnaces. 6. Minnesota St. Anthony Park. Heat pump water heaters take energy efficiency to new level October. General news. My Villager. Heat pump water heaters have become more popular as homeowners seek to decarbonize their heating and cooling systems through electrification. When Kristen Mraz-Riss and her husband, William, renovated their 1909 home in St. Anthony Park, they replaced all of their natural gas. 7. Utah Park City. Smoky skies bring unhealthy air quality across the Wasatch Back. KPCW. Particles known as PM 2.5 are too small to see without a microscope. They're created by smoke, soot, and dust, and when people are exposed to high. 8 Wisconsin Manitowoc County. Cat treated for smoke inhalation after Oconto fire. See Hay for news. Arriving fire crews found a medium, wood-frame duplex emitting heavy smoke with flames venting from the home's rear corner. The crew first. 9 Canada. Canadians are vigilant about fire prevention, but are missing core tools and resources as we. Canada Newswire. Chimney if you have a wood-burning stove or fireplace, have it. 10 New Zealand Wairarapa. Air report shows improvements in Wairarapa air quality. The Post. In 2020 Masterton recorded the second highest incidence of PM 2.5 particulate matter 2.5 microns pollution days, and last year the town was ranked 11 Ireland. Solid fuel fires and traffic emissions impacting Ireland's push to clean up air, says EPA. MSN. These toxins come from burning turf, coal, and wood in homes fires as well exhaust fumes from vehicles. Particulate matter pollution but. Excerpts edited by Rozep for brevity and clarity in relationship to Residents Against Wood Smoke Emission Particulates, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. Air pollutants being emitted by homes burning solid fuels and from urban traffic are a continuing health threat and are likely to prevent Ireland meeting stricter World Health Organization limits due in 2026, the Environmental Protection Agency has warned. Danger to health as Ireland set to fall short of WHO air pollution targets, says EPA report. Burning of solid fuels and persistent transport emissions are country's worst air pollutants. Emissions from the burning of solid fuels need to be addressed if Ireland is to meet World Health Organization limits on air pollution, according to the EPA. Sunday, September 22, 2024. Air pollutants being emitted by homes burning solid fuels and from urban traffic are a continuing health threat and are likely to prevent Ireland meeting stricter World Health Organization limits due in 2026, the Environmental Protection Agency has warned. In its latest air quality report, it finds levels of particulate matter, tiny particles emitted during burning of coal, wood, and especially peat in heating households, and nitrogen dioxide arising from traffic in urban areas are the country's worst air pollutants. Dr. Michael Lehane, director of the EPA's Office of Radiation Protection and Environmental Monitoring, said Ireland's monitoring network recently expanded to 115 stations was indicating air pollution is not just a city phenomenon. If we want to achieve our ambition of clean air for everyone, everywhere, all year round, then we need to address the emissions from residential heating. Understanding of air pollution risk has advanced so much in recent years that the WHO advises there are no safe levels of outdoor air pollution, which claims an estimated 4 million deaths globally every year from stroke, heart disease, lung cancer, and chronic respiratory diseases including asthma. The European Environment Agency has estimated 1,600 premature deaths occur annually in Ireland due to poor air quality from PM2.5, the most dangerous form of fine particulate matter. This prompted the government to switch from less onerous EU guidelines in a legally binding clean air strategy, and in 2022 it introduced strict new solid fuel regulations. How fine particle air pollution in Dublin and other Irish cities is slowly killing us. High levels of particulate matter pollutants are often associated with cold, still weather from late autumn through to early spring, when incidents of poor air quality of 1 to 2 days duration can occur. Using less solid fuel and cleaner fuels to heat homes, making them more energy efficient will contribute towards achieving the new targets. Progress on residential retrofit programs will help to reduce fine particulate matter pollution, but vigilance is also needed to ensure that only compliant solid fuel, such as low-smoke coal and dried wood, is being sold to householders. We need to see a strong inspection campaign by local authorities this winter to make sure all retailers only stock and sell approved solid fuel. The Air Quality in Ireland 2023 report is available on the EPA website. The EPA continually monitors air quality across Ireland and provides the Air Quality Index for health and real-time results online. Results are updated hourly on the website, and people can log on at any time to check whether the current air quality is good, fair, or poor. 12 United Kingdom. Wood-burning stove winter rules could see you slapped with £300 fine. The Sun. For example, if you live in a smoke control area, wood burners cannot emit more than 3 grams of smoke per hour. A smoke control area is a place. United Kingdom. Our Air 2024 October Ministry for the Environment. PM2.5 and nitrogen dioxide last updated February 23, 2023. Pressures on our air. Air pollutants can be in the form of gases or particulate matter. United Kingdom. UK startup unveils industrial heat pump for hot water, steam generation PV magazine. Futra Heat has developed a 300 kilowatts per 1.5 megawatts heat pump that can reportedly deliver steam up to 130 C and reach a coefficient of performance of June 2, 13 Europe. Chilvena 2024 Alfa Laval debuts new heat exchangers for our 290 heat pumps. Natural refrigerants. The copper brazed plate heat exchanger is designed to boost efficiency and safety, with asymmetric channels to minimize refrigerant charge. 14 France. Phantom Heat Pumps sets up French company Sicyon News. Swedish heat pump and energy system company Phantom has now set up yet another subsidiary in Europe. 15 Russia. Severstal has completed a project to create an eco-monitoring network in all residential AKNM, PM2.5, PM10.0. Severstal increases environmental openness by bringing data from the established atmospheric air quality monitoring network in. 16 Uzbekistan Tashkent. Air quality assessment for Tashkent and the roadmap for air quality management. World Bank. In Tashkent, PM2.5 ambient air pollution has considerable health and economic costs. Cross-boundary sources like windblown dust, 36% PM2.5 pollution. 17 India. Mumbai weather update light to moderate rainfall expected today. Air quality drops to Lokmat times. At Bandra Kurla Complex BKC, the AQI for particulate matter PM2.5 was measured at 112 on October 2nd, but worsened dramatically by Tuesday. 18 Thailand Bangkok. Hazardous smog blankets Bangkok and nearby provinces. Yahoo News Malaysia. The Pollution Control Department reported that levels of particulate matter 2.5 microns and less in diameter PM2.5 exceeded the safe threshold. 19 APM 2.5 and breast cancer. Air pollution and breast cancer incidence in the multi-ethnic cohort study. ASCO Publications. Recent studies suggested fine particulate matter PM2.5 exposure increases the risk of breast cancer, but evidence among racially and ethnically. 19 BPM 2.5 and ear, nose, and throat surgery. American Academy of Otolaryngology Head and Neck Surgery, September 28 to October 1. Health Day. As part of the National Institutes of Health All of Us research program, particulate matter less than or equal to 2.5 micrometers PM 2.5 air pollution exposure among adults was